Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Oh, hello everyone, it's Fafa Gilbert here and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa.
And today on the menu, I do have this baked egg and yam recipe. Now this recipe was actually inspired by the leftovers that I did have. So if you've watched my previous video, you would have actually seen the recipe for the yam pancakes. I'll leave a link at the top to allow you to watch that straight away. And you are spoiled for choice when it comes to the stew. I've got my lamb stew recipe that you can use for this recipe, as well as the smoky salsa sauce, which is also incredible. And also you've got the chicken stew recipe. So when I say you're spoiled for choice, you are spoiled for choice. So this is a quick recipe actually. So what I'm actually doing is just placing some coconut oil in my preferred bowl that I'll be baking it. And you can choose whatever stew you prefer, the chicken stew, your smoky salsa sauce, or the lamb stew. Then add your lamb stew to your coconut oil. Now the reason why I've actually added oil to this is because I'm actually going to be baking it, and it would actually prevent this whole thing from sticking into the bowl. But it's optional. If you have enough oil in your stew, then you need to omit this. But as you can see, I've actually reduced the oil in my stew. So once I've actually done this, what I'm actually going to do is shred some of my yam pancakes. If you don't have the yam pancakes, you can boil some yam into little cubes and you can actually use it for this recipe. You can try it with cocoa yam or plantain as well. So the choice is yours. And being creative in the kitchen is actually also improvising on what you do have. So I've got my shredded yam pancakes here that I'm actually adding to the mixture. And I'm going to add a little bit more stew and mix everything together till it's well combined. At this point, I'm actually going to add my cracked eggs to this mixture and preheat my oven to 180 degrees because I'm actually just going to bake this for about 10 to 15 minutes, but it depends. If you actually want a runny egg yolk, then 10 minutes will be ideal. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how you want your egg yolk, you end up with this pièce de résistance. Now garnish it with your favorite herbs and just dig in and enjoy. It's as simple as that. So anytime you have any leftovers, bear in mind there are a lot of things you can do with it. And I hope I've actually inspired you to try this recipe. I'll leave a link to this recipe, including the list of ingredients, as well as the measurements on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. So do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Until next time, take care of you. Be you, be nice, and surround yourself with great people to be a greater person. Much love.